people say we both know I couldn't change you. I guess you could say the same. Can't rearrange truth. I've never seen someone like.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I know I'm looking kind of bad, like I don't look terrible, but like I didn't feel like really getting made up for this video. Okay, so look y'all, as a girly pop, there are like the big three things, right? Hair, nails, and lashes. Those are considered to be the big three. We can do our nails, and I'm gonna have a video on here soon, how I make my press-on nails last. So I'm gonna be doing that soon, but we know how to do our nails. We can do our hair-ish when you have a mother. So we can basically do that. But I've never tried lashes because if you remember, I don't remember which video this was, but I was doing like a makeup get ready with me. And I tried to put on normal like strip lashes, and I hurt myself. So I gave up for a long time, and I learned how to use mascara really well. So I'm content with just mascara, but we're gonna give this another try today, except we're gonna be using clusters. Ta-da! I have everything that I need. I have the lashes themselves, I have a little tweezer thing, applicator, and the bond and seal. I'm going to open my laptop because I have been watching a ton of videos over this past, well, I guess like over the weekend. It's Tuesday today. I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos over the weekend on how to put on cluster lashes. So it honestly seems really easy. So let me get the two other things I need actually. Okay, so the other things I might need will be this fan, just in case my eyes start watering or something. They probably won't because they don't water when I do mascara anyway, but yeah. Lash curler and a spoolie. But before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe if you like my content, and check out my Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram, which are on the screen and linked in the pinned comment. Now, you can see this, right? I have so many videos on how to put on clusters. Now, basic information about where I got all this stuff from. The lashes, the tweezers, and the bond and seal are from Amazon. So if you would like these lashes, they will be linked in my Amazon storefront. That is also in the pinned comment. I'm not really going for any specific look I've seen. I just looked up manga lashes, manga meaning like anime lashes, right? So I looked up manga lashes, and these were one of the ones that popped up. They're not too long, they're not too dramatic. We're not trying to look like we have caterpillars on our faces, okay? This is my channel. I can say what I want, and I will say this, y'all look absolutely ridiculous. One of the reviews said that these lashes, like the lady that did the review wears glasses, and she said, oh, the lashes don't, you know, poke my glasses or anything. So that was also a big deal because I wear glasses 24/7. I can't see. I'm like disabled. Think about it though, like glasses are literally a disability aid. Like think about that. Anyway, so there aren't that many steps. So let's see.
Apply it to the base of our lash. You don't need to apply this like this. It only needs to be at the base. You're also going to want to add glue to the lash cluster. So make sure you have a generous amount of glue on the wand. You're going to take your lash cluster and apply glue. And this is what it should look like. Next, you're going to take your shorter lash and apply it to the inner corner of your eye.
Okay. She didn't say this, but you have to curl your lashes first. Also, don't apply the bond like mascara, because doing that can damage your natural lashes, and I ain't trying to look like Baldy McScaldy, you know what I mean? So here we go, guys. Okay. Wait, why do I actually like how this feels? Okay, I have to stop acting like I'm like mentally slow. Okay, so we have 18, a couple of 18s. Okay, 18 seems to be a bit much, so I think we're just gonna do 16. Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing she did, because it depends on what this looks like. I also don't know how long these are supposed to last, so I'm assuming maybe like a week. So we're gonna try and do 16, 14, 14, 12, 10. We'll see how far we can get. I'm never able to get this part of my lash. Like, how am I supposed to curl that part? Okay, there we go. Wow, that's like the best curling I've ever done. Like, I'm scared, yo. I don't want to do this. Oh, okay. Yo, I'm not playing, bro. I'm not playing. What way is it supposed to be facing? Can I try again? I kind of don't like that placement. I'm sorry I'm not talking that much. I'm kind of trying to focus. I don't even know if you saw that whole thing I just did, but low-key, even 16 is a bit long, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, now we're doing 14. This isn't so bad. When I finish this eye, I'm gonna go show my mom. But even the 16 is a bit long for me, y'all. So, for me, you know. So I'm not gonna do that again. I think I'm just gonna do 14 and then like 12, 10, whatever. Let me get a makeup wipe so I can remove, because a little bit got on my bottom lash. There we go. It's not really irritating. I want y'all to be able to see. My phone is like on the edge. So the lady did 16, 14, I believe she did another 14. Why am I always confused on which direction they go in? Yeah. It's like, it's easy, but this is hard because I'm getting confused on which way the lashes are supposed to go. And I'm low-key having trouble seeing. Yeah, I honestly can't tell if I like this or not. Maybe it's because I don't have like a full face of makeup on. And this is like low-key irritating. It's not staying, yo. What am I supposed to do? I know I should probably just like pause it and then continue, but y'all, I'm trying to make this a one shot so I don't have to split up the recording. It's still not on there. I don't know why the inner one don't want to stay. How about this? We'll do the other eye. We'll see what happens because I'm done. So on this eye I have 4. On this eye I'll put 4 too. This isn't so bad. It's like it's literally all gonna be okay. I know I could have gotten some from my bottom lashes too, but I don't want that because it's like it would stick together with the top one, and I'm not. They're just so downturned. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna. It is low-key obscuring my vision. That's why I feel like it's not supposed to be this downturned. Okay. I guess. They are cute. I don't know how I feel, y'all. Oh, wait, did my thing just die? It's about to die, I think. Hold on. My microphone died, so. Okay, I guess this is the finished look. Why would I touch my face? Oh my god. Okay, I guess this is the finished look. Let me get in front of. They are cute. I'm still kind of pressed about not being able to do the inner, but I guess we'll leave it like that because I don't really want to ruin what I did. So the last part is to seal them, y'all. Again, I don't know how long they're supposed to last, even even after you seal them. I hope I sealed them correctly. I don't know. I'm like so overstimulated. I kind of can't see anything. They are cute. They don't look bad. Like, why do I feel like this one's poking out? Like, what is, like, something is so asymmetrical right now that I can't tell what it is. I already sealed it, so I can't go back and fix it. My dad did say this one was coming out a little too much. Oh well, this is the mess left behind. The lashes inside here kept breaking as I tried to grab them. So we have a couple of casualties, but this wasn't terrible. They don't look terrible. I think I understand next time the method I will use. We're not giving up. This isn't a fail. It's like they're on my face. This is good. But I think I know what I'm gonna do next time. But next time I gotta find a way to make them less downturned. Like this, I'm not really a fan of. But that is it for today's video. Out of 10, I'd give the lashes themselves like a 9. They're really cute, but like they kept breaking, and I don't know if that's just me being heavy freaking handed or if they're just cheap. Like, I don't know, but like they are really, really cute. They do give off that manga vibe. So the lashes themselves are good. The tweezers are fine, I guess. The bond, I don't know. I think once I understood how to do what I wanted to do, it was easier. I think next time will be a better experience. I mean, this was my first time, so I think next time will be a better experience overall. But yeah, all of this in total, I'd give it like a 7.5. What is like poking me right now though? I don't understand. And I don't want to rip them out. Like, I don't want to take them off because I don't want my natural lashes to be damaged, because, you know, like I don't wear lashes all the time. But yeah, okay, that's it. So overall, I'd give the whole experience a 7.5 out of 10. I think I know how I'm gonna do better next time. Once again, if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram, which are, again, on the screen and linked in the pinned comment. And if you want to try anything that I use, that will also be in the pinned comment in my Amazon storefront. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Yeah, I just decided to add this clip into the video. It's the next day. I actually ended up fixing this eye. I replaced the one at the end and the one inner here. This eye is fine, but I ended up fixing this eye. This isn't actually so bad. Like, once you get used to it and once they are on your face for a while, this isn't that bad. I think next time, like, I know what to do as far as placement next time, because I place these better and it's not poking me anymore. I don't know how to get them to where they aren't downturned. Like, this one is less downturned than this one, and that is like bothering me. Like, the good part is that I wear glasses, so it's less noticeable, so like it's okay, but like I need to fix that next time. Also, next time, I think I don't have to have clusters. This is what it taught me, basically. Like, I don't have to have clusters. Like, this is nice, but this isn't something that I need. But maybe, you know, once a month or something. Or if it's like a special occasion, then fine. But other than that, I'm happy with my mascara. I also do like these lashes, but I think next time I want some that don't have spikes. You see, like, the spiky part. Yeah, I think next time I want some that don't have that. And I don't really need the ones in the inner corner either, so it's okay. One thing I don't like though is, and this is just my opinion, but I feel like lashes make a person look older. So it's like, I don't know, I just feel like I look older now, and that's not, I don't know, because I'm not that old. I'm only 17, but like I feel like the lashes have made me look older. But yeah, that's it for real this time, so I'll see you all in the next video. Tell me there's a and I just want you.